hand in front of your heart chakra. Bow your head down. Repeat the mantra after me with exhalation. Inhale. Om. Asatu ma sadgamaya. Tamaso ma jyotirgamaya. Mrityorma amritangamaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om Tat Sat. Rub your palms. And when they're warm enough, place it over your eyes. Open your eyes, look at your palms. Beautiful smile. Let's start the class. Okay, I will start with gentle body movements first. Okay, first lift your spine up. Interlace your hands and lift your hands up. Create space between your vertebrae. Inhale करते हुए आप लेके जाएंगे. Create space as if you're trying to touch the ceiling. Inhale and exhale. Stay there. Inhale and exhale. Now drop your right hand on the mat and stretch your left side. Stretch it, palm facing down. Palm facing down. Yes. Stretch. Breathe through your left lungs. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, exhale. Now drop your left hand on the mat, right hand above, palm facing down. Breathe through your right lungs. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Come back up. Now we'll do the twisting. Right hand on the left hand on the right knee and look back. Inhale and exhale. Come back to normal position. Now right hand on the left knee and twist to your left side. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now hands alongside with your buttocks and lift your hips up. Lift your hips up. Hips up, hips up. Drop your neck back. Inhale and exhale. Stay there. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come down, come down. Now bend forward and walk with your hands. Bend forward and walk with your hands. Try to walk with your hands. Buttocks pressing on the mat. Buttock pressing on the mat. Stay there. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And to the side. Walk to the side. Walk to the side, stay there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Walk to the other side now with the hands. Stretch your spine and sides. Buttock pressing on the mat. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come up, come up. Now right hand towards the camera, sitting Dandasana. We'll stretch the ankles, dorsiflex and plantar flex. Once you're dorsiflexing your feet, try to lift your heels a little bit off the mat. Not much, just half an inch. Plantar flex, dorsiflex, plantar flex, dorsiflex, plantar flex. dorsiflex पे तो थोड़ी सी हील उठाएंगे and then plantar flex, dorsiflex, and 10 to flex. Okay, lie down on your mat. Get your belt. We'll try Supta which we did yesterday as well. एक बार और try करेंगे. First, we'll try with the right leg. Left leg को press करते हुए dorsiflex करना है. And then lift your right leg up. Loop को इसमें fix करो. Yes. Left leg को dorsiflex और on the mat रखना है. ठीक है? Right से करना है हमें भी. Okay, now straighten your legs as much as you can and try to pull it towards you with your elbows. Okay, biceps की help से उसे pull करना है. Shoulder relaxed रहेंगे. Now stay there. 5, 4, 3. Straighten your knees. Straighten your knees more. Dorsiflex it. Yes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now slowly and steadily take your right leg towards the right side and drop it down. Try to drop it down. Elbow की support ले लो. Elbow की support ले लो. Elbow on the ground. And try to drop it down as much as you can. और left leg भी mat पे ही रहेगा. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Lift your leg up. Lift your leg up and then hold it from the left hand. Hold the loop from the left hand and take it to the left side a bit. हमारे हिप्स ज्यादा नहीं उठेंगे. ज्यादा नहीं, वो हिप्स मैट पे ही रहेंगे. बस हल्का सा स्ट्रेच लेके आना है. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. Come down. Let's do it with the left leg now. You want to change the side, that's fine. और ऐसे ही करना है तो ऐसे भी हो जाएगा. Okay, now dorsiflex your right feet and now lift your left leg up, straight up. Yes. Pull it through your biceps. Yes, very good. Straighten up your knees. Beautiful. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now take to the left side. Elbow की मदद से ले जाइए. Elbow को mat पे रखिए, ground पे रखिए. Yes. 5, 4. Keep pulling it towards you. Keep pulling a leg towards you. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now take it to the right side. राइट हैंड से राइट साइड लेके जाएंगे. लेफ्ट हिप और राइट हिप दोनों ही मैट पे रहेंगे. ठीक है, अपनी तरफ पुल करो. करो पुल. यस. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. छोड़ दीजिए बेल्ट को एंड हग योर नीज in Pavan Muktasan. Hug your both the knees. Try to hug your both the knees. Yes, stay there. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now take your heels up to the ceiling. Legs straight. Ardha Halasan. Yes. Legs straight रहेंगी चाहे 90 डिग्री पहुंचे या ना पहुंचे. Stay there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. थोड़ी सी अब और नीचे करेंगे legs. 20 degree straight legs, but straight legs थोड़े से नीचे करेंगे and stay there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now try to lift your chest up. Chest up and hands up. Okay, let me show you. We are in Ardha Siddhasana, Ardha Halasana, sorry. And now I'll take my legs little bit more down and stay there. And उसके बाद फिर और नीचे ले जाने की कोशिश करूंगी. And lift my hands up and chest up. Low back on the mat, but okay. Let's do this. First go to Ardha Halasana, straight legs straight. अप टू द सीलिंग. धीरे धीरे नीचे लेके जाते हुए होल्ड करेंगे. पहले सीधी ले जाएंगे. नी स्ट्रेट. यस. नाउ स्टे देयर. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. अब थोड़ी सी नीचे करिए लेग्स को. यस. नाउ स्टे देयर. 5, 4, 3, 2 1. नाउ थोड़ा सा और नीचे ले जाइए एंड लिफ्ट योर चेस्ट अप, हैंड्स अप एंड लुक टू योर लेग्स, टोज. 5 4 3 2 1. Relax. Your core might shake a bit, but that's what we need. We need to train it. Stay there. Relax. Now we have to dorsiflex both our feet. ठीक है, बट ऑल्टरनेट लेग रेजेस करेंगे, बट नी बेंड नहीं होगा. जहां तक आप कंफर्टेबली ऊपर ले जा सकते हैं उतना लेके जाएंगे. ठीक है, ऑल्टरनेट लेग रेजेस करनी है हमें, पर डोर्सिफ्लेक्स रखते हुए ही करनी है. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 5 more. 11 12 13 14 15. 5 more. 16 17 18 19 and 20. Relax. Shake off your legs. If there is any tension, it will get released. Okay, now roll to your left side and come in Balasana. Roll to your left side, come to Balasana. Okay. From Balasana, extend your hands. Take the measurement from plank position, come to plank, and then to Adho Mukha Svanasana with bent knees. But your torso has to be straight. We have to open up our shoulders first, then we'll start work on the hamstring to straighten our legs. Bend your knees if you want, but I want your chest to be going towards your thigh. Towards your thigh. Yes, neck in between your hands. Yes, stay there. 5 4 3 2 1. Now drop your elbows down. Drop your elbows down, both down. Now dolphin push-ups, okay? ठीक है, अब अपने शोल्डर को अपने रिस्ट पे ले जाएंगे एंड बैक. Wrist and back. Wrist and back. Knee up, knee bend. Bend कर लो लेकिन knee up ही रहेगा, ठीक है? And your hips should be the highest point. Yes, do it faster. 5 4 3 2 1. 5 more. 5 4 3 2 1. 5 more. 5. Yes, you can do it. 3 2 and 1. 5 more. 5 more. Breathe through your nose. Breathe through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Okay? जब भी गिव अप करने का मन करे एक बार नोज से लेना और माउथ से ब्लो कर देना ये. ठीक है, हम उसके बाद 2 और करेंगे. जब हम बिल्कुल थक जाएंगे तो उसके बाद 2 बॉडी को पुश करना है, 2 रेप्स और करने हैं. ठीक है, लेट्स डू 5 मोर राउंड्स. अगर गिव अप करने का मन करे, ब्रीथ थ्रू योर नोज, exhale through your mouth. Come up in Adho Mukha Svanasana with bent knees and elbow on the mat. Yes, go. 5 4 3 2 and 1. 5 more. 5 4 3 2 and 1. Relax. Relax in Balasana or any comfortable position you want. Stay there. Stay there. 5 4 3 2 1. Come up. Come up. Now we learned, I think day before yesterday, we learned to go from Shashankasana to Bhujangasana. बेसिकली मैंने शशांकासन में मेजरमेंट ले ली अपने हैंड्स की. नाउ मुझे अपने चेस्ट को मैट पे रब करते हुए भुजंगासन में जाना है. एंड फिर उसके बाद खड़े होके वापस ऐसे वापस आ सकते हो। वापस आप कैसे भी आ सकते हो, प्लैंक से भी वापस आ सकते हो, वापस सेम पोजीशन में नहीं आना है, हमें सिर्फ अभी यही करना है। ठीक है, आई नीड 10 reps, little bit faster this time. We have to open up our shoulders, have to work on our core today to make it strong. Yes. Yes, beautiful. Now go back. Elbow bend ही रखना जब भुजंगासन में जाते हो, elbow bend ही रखना. Okay, yes, yes, go forward. Lift yourself up. Beautiful. Now go back. 2. You have done 2. You need to do 10. 3. Beautiful. Go back. 4. We have to train ourselves. If you want to give up, just breathe through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Push your body to do more 2 reps after reaching your max. Beautiful. 5 done. 6. Roll yourself forward, rubbing your chest on the mat. Beautiful. 4 more to go. 4 more to go. Yes. 3 more to go. You can do this. 3 more, just 3 more. Exhale through your mouth. Exhale through your mouth. 3 more. Yes, very good. Lift yourself up. Last, just 1 more to go now. 1 more. 1 more, and you can lie down on your mat and relax. Yes, beautiful. Now lie down on your mat on your back and relax for a few seconds. Normalize your breath. Shake off your hands if you want to release any tension. Okay, we are working on to opening up shoulders, okay? Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Okay, now what we need to do is first we'll roll to our left side and come to plank position. I'm holding a timer. Let's see how much we can hold our plank. Okay, elbow plank करना है हमें. ठीक है, अगर आपको ट्राई करना है तो पहले ये वाला प्लैंक होल्ड करने का ट्राई करते हैं तो 1 मिनट, और उसके बाद ये वाला होल्ड 1 मिनट ट्राई करना है. ठीक है, लेट्स ट्राई दिस. फिर उसके बाद ड्रिल करेंगे एंड देन विल डू इट. चलो पहले फुल प्लैंक करते हैं. ट्राई दिस वन. ओके, गो एंड आई स्विच ऑन द टाइमर. लेट्स डू दिस. मैंने रखा है टाइमर, मेरे पास है. करो करो करो. Okay, buttocks down, buttocks down. Yes, look forward to the front part of the mat. नीचे करो, head in line with your spine. Yes, up, buttocks up, buttocks up, buttocks up. थोड़े up. Yes, stay there, stay there. Breathe. अगर give up करने का मन करे, breathe out through your nose, but don't give up. Stay there, stay there. Come up again. No worries. Come up again. Yes, you can do this. 10 more seconds. Yes, beautiful. 5 more seconds to go. Breathe through your nose, exhale through your mouth. Beautiful. No worries. Relax. 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 Don't worry. Okay. We'll hold the elbow plank later. First we'll do the drill, okay? अभी हमें drill में क्या करना है? I'm on my palms. ठीक है, मैं एल्बो डाउन करूंगी राइट, फिर लेफ्ट एल्बो डाउन करूंगी, फिर राइट अप करूंगी, लेफ्ट अप करूंगी. ठीक है, पहले इसको लेग अप करके ट्राई करो. अगर बहुत डिफिकल्ट लग रहा हो तो लेग्स ऑन द मैट करके भी ट्राई कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, लेकिन हम पहले मुश्किल ट्राई करेंगे क्योंकि हमें स्ट्रेंथ है. अगर नहीं हो पा रहा है तो ही हम नीज को मैट पे रखेंगे, ठीक है। फर्स्ट दिस, एल्बो डाउन, एल्बो अप। पहले राइट से स्टार्ट करेंगे, फिर 5 राइट से करेंगे डाउन करके, फिर लेफ्ट से करेंगे। ओके, लेट्स डू दिस। पहले फुल प्लैंक में जाके ट्राई करते हैं, अगर नहीं होगा तो हम नीज डाउन कर लेंगे। और buttocks down, yes. Now elbow down, right elbow down. Yes, left elbow down. Now right hand straight, left hand straight. You are able to do it. Let's do 5 rounds. कर लोगे आप, कर लोगे. Yes. Straight. Beautiful. 2, 3 more to go. Yes, beautiful. 2 more to go. Oh, no worries, no worries. Relax and do 2 more reps. Push yourself. We have 2 days to recover after this if we get cramps in our shoulders or anything. Okay, beautiful. Relax, relax, don't worry. Okay, now हमें यही लेफ्ट, पहले लेफ्ट एल्बो ड्रॉप करेंगे, फिर राइट एल्बो ड्रॉप करेंगे। अभी हमने 4 यहां से किया, अब हम 4 ही दूसरे से भी करते हैं, ठीक है। Let's do this. Left elbow down, right elbow down, left elbow straight, right hand straight. Yes, yes, no worries, no worries. कई बार होता है हमारा राइट कम, लेफ्ट स्ट्रांग होता है, राइट थोड़ा सा वीक होता है, but we can do it. Okay, left elbow down, right elbow down, left elbow straight. Try it, try it, try it. Okay, knee down, knee down, knee down करके करते हैं हम अब, ठीक है। नी डाउन करके करते हैं, नी नीचे ही रहेंगे मैट पे, क्योंकि हमें पहले राइट को स्ट्रॉन्ग करना है, तो पहले नी डाउन करके करते हैं। लेफ्ट डाउन, राइट डाउन, लेफ्ट अप, राइट अप, ठीक है। नी पे प्रेशर नहीं आना चाहिए, ठीक है। बॉडी वेट सामने की तरफ ही रखना, नी पे नहीं होना चाहिए वेट, बस इतना ध्यान रखना है, नी पे वेट ना हो। कीप डूइंग इट, ब्यूटीफुल। 1 more to go. We can do 5 more in this, क्योंकि ये थोड़ा सा easier version है, हम इसमें 5 और करेंगे। Once you're done, you can relax. Very good. Relax, relax, lie down on your back or your stomach, whichever is comfortable. थोड़ा सा हम अपनी ब्रेथ को नॉर्मलाइज करेंगे। Breathe through your nose, exhale through your mouth. Normalize your heartbeat. Okay. Now we have to do shoulder tapping. ठीक है, हम फिर से शशांक से अपनी मेजरमेंट लेंगे, प्लैंक में आएंगे। Now I want this shoulder tapping. ठीक है, 10 each shoulder, ठीक है। 20 करेंगे हम राउंड्स। Let's do this. Yeah, go in plank position. Lift your buttocks up. Yes, very good. Now tap your right shoulder, then left shoulder. Alternate shoulder tapping. Yes, धीरे धीरे कर सकते हैं, but हमें shoulder tap करना है. Buttocks down. Buttocks down. Yes. कोर को टाइट रखो, कोशिश करो। Yes, कोई बात नहीं, कोई बात नहीं। We'll do, हमें 20 कंप्लीट करने हैं। लेकिन at your pace. It's our first time we are doing this drill, but हमारी strength के लिए ये बहुत जरूरी है. We have to build that strength in our shoulders, in our core. Beautiful. Beautiful. I'm not counting, ठीक है? आप count करो, 20 complete करो. I think 10 done, 10 more to go. You can do it. कोई बात नहीं. अब 2 दिन इसको आराम मिलेगा. ठीक है, एक तो पहले ना इसमें फ्रिक्शन भी बना के रखो. सी, सारा वेट रिस्ट पे भी नहीं आना चाहिए. ठीक है, तो फिंगर जो है, नकल्स होती हैं ये, इनको ऐसे प्रेशर बना के रखो सो दैट इक्वली डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड रहे वेट. वी डोंट वांट पेन इन आवर रिस्ट जॉइंट्स. ठीक है, तो थोड़ा सा इसको प्रेशर बना के रखना है हमें इन पे. ठीक है, लेट्स डू इट. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4 buttocks down, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Relax. Relax. Okay. Now there is just one more drill. ठीक है, आप रिलैक्स करो, बट आई विल शो यू. ठीक है, ये लास्ट ड्रिल है, इसके हमें 2 सेट करने हैं. ठीक है, एट योर ओन पेस. आई एम गिविंग यू दिस टाइम हम अपनी पेस पे कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, प्लैंक पोजीशन पे आए, देन नी टू द चेस्ट, नी टू द चेस्ट. इधर यू कैन गो फास्टर और यू कैन गो स्लोअर एज वेल. ठीक है, 10 reps each leg. फिर उसके बाद we'll come up forward and then we'll do 5 push-ups. 1, 2, either with wide legs or legs closer. Choose your better. But we need to do this 2 rounds. ठीक है, 20 leg raises हो गए एक तरह से, क्योंकि 10 each leg, और 5 push-ups. ठीक है, 2 sets. I need 2 sets of it. We'll do it together. So it's a last drill, so give your best. ठीक है, लास्ट है, उसके बाद we'll lie down and do the breathing exercises. Pranayam, okay? Plank position, plank position. Now, knee to the chest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more. Now 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come up to push-up position. Come up fast. Let's do this. 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now, again, come to plank position. Come to plank position. No time to rest. Come to plank position. Okay, last round. Knee to the chest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Come on, come on. Come on. Last one. 17, 18, 19, 20. Come to push up. Stand up. Last 5, last 5. Breathe through your nose, exhale through your mouth. Give your best. 5 rounds. Only 5 left. 1. You can do this. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Lie down in Shavasana. Lie down in Shavasana. You've done a great job. Lie down. ठीक है, Let's relax in Shavasana. Feet mat or more distance apart. Hand 2 inches apart and palm facing ceiling. Normalize your breath. Inhale and exhale through your mouth. First, normalize your heartbeat. Stay there. Breathe through your nose, exhale through your mouth as if you're blowing a whistle or a candle. Normal breathing. Normal breathing. Deep breathing करेंगे हम थोड़ी सी. We'll inflate our stomach like a balloon, okay? Yeah, feet को आप sideways रहने करने दीजिए and try not to move for another 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, inhale, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Normal breathing. Normal breathing. Try to focus on your nostril. Try to mentally relax your body. All the stimulation we have done. Now it's time to relax our body, mind, and breath. Okay. We'll stay quiet for 1 minute and focus should be on the nostril. Inhale and exhale only. Try not to move for another 1 minute, 1 to 2 minutes, okay? I'm here.